Hello, today we are going to show you very special trick in Excel. If you ever want data, geographical data in Excel, and right here you have different countries, let me explain that. Pakistan, United States, Canada, and Mexico, and you want your capital city, your currency, GDP, population, so on and so forth, rather than going and typing that in or collecting that data from elsewhere, that pasting it. There is an easier way to do it, and it's a built-in function that Microsoft Excel allows you to use. So let's jump right into it. How do we do that? Get all this data. So I have another sheet right here, and look at this. We have all these fields blank. All you have to do, highlight the countries and Alt plus A plus D plus 1. So I'm gonna go in just like that with countries highlighted, Alt A D 1 simultaneously, and you get this highlighted box, and just click on currency or geography. So you will see you have add icon comes up right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and highlight this, pick up this, and right here we have a list of all the different geographies, and I can just go ahead and pick up wherever the currency is in alphabetical order. So right here I'm going to go ahead and pick up currency. It gives me that. Then I'm going to pick up capital city or major cities. It gives me that. I can do a whole lot of things right here, right? So GDP, again, I can go into GDP, I get that. Now let's get population as well, right here. Just like that, we have all that information available for you without typing it or copy and pasting and all that. If you like the video, please make sure further share it and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much.